So let's go ahead and unbox the new DJI Osmo Mobile 8. This is the successor to the 7, which I've been running for a while, and I like the fact that with the new upgrades here, it can now rotate in 360 degrees. The tracking module can now track pets as well, not just people. There's improved iPhone integration, so you don't have to use the DJI app. You can now actually have it track here with the native iPhone apps as well. So I'm really curious now to go ahead and start unboxing it and see what else is included here in the packaging. Opening it up from the side here. We've got a little container here on top that looks like our USB charging cable here, as well as a short cable here so we can have the gimbal charging our phone while we're using it. Then inside here, we've got the pouch for the gimbal itself. And we've got a little packet here with the documentation like the user manual. Now opening up the travel pouch here, let's see, we've got the gimbal itself here. And out of the box, it looks like it comes here with everything configured. So we've got the multifunctional tracking module right here, which you can actually remove here like this and flip around in either direction. It also has a little light here for fill light. So if you're recording at night, it gives you a little bit of extra light here on your face. We've got the USB port here, as I mentioned, so you can have it plugged in and charging your phone while you're recording. We've got the tripod here on the bottom, which will extend here like this, and you can flip it out if you want to stand it up vertically and use it on like a table or something. I also like these legs for actually calibrating the device when I set it down on a table. But the main thing, of course, is where the phone connects. So we can go ahead and flip this around here like this. And it looks like it's going to go ahead and turn on here for us too. And obviously I don't have the phone installed here yet, but it looks like we are up and running and ready to start pairing with the phone. So let's go ahead and pair the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 here to the phone. And to do that, I've got the DJI app installed here, got the Mimo, and we're just gonna hit the camera button right here. It's gonna go ahead and find our device. So we'll hit connect like this. Bluetooth pairing request, we'll hit okay. We're gonna authorize it. And it looks like it's actually connected here. You can see that it says there's even a firmware update available. So we can just click on that right here. Don't wanna do the questionnaire. So we'll hit OK. Let's just go straight here to the firmware update. So 1.6 megs. There's what the information is. Basically, some improvements here for using their mic with their omnifunctional tracking module that sits right next to the phone. But anyways, we'll just go ahead and hit the install button here like this. And oh, I just noticed we have to actually hit the install button here again. And you can see this is going to shut down. It looks like it's going to go ahead and start the process here for us. Now, as it's downloading the latest update, I also wanted to point out the yellow battery indicator. That means the battery's starting to get a little bit low. And so for that reason, once this update finishes, I'll just plug it in here via USB Type-C and let it charge up the battery here to full. Update success. This is kicking back into gear. And now that this is all complete, we can go ahead and pop the phone here onto the gimbal and start shooting.